Israel is the only Jewish state in the world.
That is correct. The answer is the first one was the Jewish Autonomous Oblast, which has, I think, about 75% more land than Israel.
False. Israel is the second. The Jewish Autonomous Oblast is the first. Founded in 1934, it predates Israel and is located in Russia's Far Eastern Federal District. At 14,000 square miles, it's 75% bigger than Israel. And bordered by China, North Korea, and Russia, relocating there would prevent the endless problems that the world currently faces because of Israeli expansionism. Honestly, it would be better for everyone if they did. Lie number 2.
Big facts there.
Jews had nowhere to flee during Nazi Germany. False. The Havara Agreement reached in 1933 between Nazi Germany and Zionist organizations, primarily the Jewish Agency for Palestine, allowed German Jews to migrate to Palestine by transferring their assets to Germany.
And if you follow me, you already knew that one.
Then reclaiming them in form of German exported goods. This allowed Jews to keep some of their wealth, and the Zionist movement to increase Jewish immigration to Palestine, which is what they wanted. Over 60,000 German Jews immigrated to Palestine under this agreement between 1933 and 1939. Lie number 3.
And I truly believe that what we're seeing play out on Instagram right now is to cultivate a hatred towards Jews to push America in the direction of Nazi Germany. And that is a trap that we should not fall into as Americans. We should lay it, pinpoint it on Zionists. Anyone who thinks they're better than other people, if you want to get general about it, but specifically on Zionists who believe that Israel is more important than America. If you believe that, go live in Israel. We're going to make America great, actually great. We'll actually improve America. You go improve Israel. That's fine. I encourage that. But don't try to convince me that making Israel great is a benefit for America.
Palestinians never wanted Jews in Palestine. False.
Jews have always been in Palestine.
As tens of thousands of Jews migrated to Palestine during the Havara Agreement and World War II, Palestinians welcomed them even into their own homes. The
And then what happened after that? Is she going to tell us? Because that's where it gets interesting.
Jews were housed, clothed, fed, and given refuge.
And then what?
Then one day, those same Jewish families that they'd cared for locked the Palestinian families out of their homes and, backed by the military, threatened their lives if they returned.
And they still do that today, by the way.
I'm not making this stuff up, you guys. It's everywhere. You just have to be willing to see it.
It's not even about being willing to see it. Just do a little bit of history. Go outside the McGraw-Hill books that were written by Ghislaine Maxwell's father. Just find any history book, really, that is not mainstream. And